How to set up your own AI assistant integrated with Slack in couple of minutes, couple of clicks, and couple of strokes with byorg. Create a new workspace. Politely thanks for the emails. Name your workspace. Name yourself. Set your picture. We don't need friends, we have AI. Describe your workspace. Free is a better price. Tada! Workspace done. Go to your apps. Create a new app from scratch. Pick your workspace. Name your app. In Basic Information tab, generate a new token. Add permissions to write. Copy your token. Enable socket mode. Make your bot online. Allow people to chat with your bot. Make your bot an agent. Add all of those permissions. Enable events so your bot can react to the messages. Install your app to your workspace. Now you have a magical window that does nothing. Let's fix that with byorg.ai. Go to the GitHub repository. Clone the repository. Copy the example app from examples/slack. Create that env file and put your own tokens inside. npm install. npm run example. And you're done. Now you can chat with your assistant. But remember, just in case, always be nice to it. Just in case.